If you wonder how to charge Redmi A5, let me quickly explain this. Simply to charge your phone, you can actually plug it to any source of power, which might be your computer, laptop, power bank, or simply the power adapter. It doesn't matter. Simply you can plug it into anything and it will charge. But the only thing you have to do is just plug it into the phone. The charger, the cable actually needs just this Type-C connector. This is the only way to charge your phone, no other. You will need this Type-C connector to charge your phone, and you can plug it to any cable, to any source of power. And actually it is recommended, let me just quickly show you right here on the box. You can find the information that it is recommended to use from 5 to 15 watts charging adapter. So probably all of the adapters which you might have in your house around somewhere laying around, basically all of these adapters should work perfectly. And in case you have more watts than 15 watts adapter, there is also no problem with charging with such an adapter, like for example 20 watts or 50 watts. There is no problem with charging with that, since the phone might actually negotiate with the adapter, with the charger, how much power it wants to draw. So it will not damage your phone or anything like this. You can charge your phone with more wattage with no problem. So yeah, that's basically it. Any cable, any charging adapter, it will work for your phone.